Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is me. I'm just leaving my house. I'm going to work and I want to show you how it looks like, okay? Come on. Could you see this? Could you see this? I had my winter boots on. Could you see this? It's like so much of snow here. I live in this locality, by the way. I just want to show, and I'm walking like a penguin here because if I walk normally, I'm gonna literally fall down. And this is my beautiful house. Where do I live? And this is my community. It looks beautiful. Okay, as you see, I'm walking in the snow. I'm going to work. I have a shift now. I'm going to work and I can't see the road. See the snow, see the snow, see the snow. Oops. Okay, it's so much, but I need to go. It's a storm and I had one colleague. She can't come in, so, and I can't drive. I don't have car yet, so I need to take a public transport. It's a bus and it's freaking minus 24 degrees. I can't see anything. Coming to introduction. Yup. So this is the snowstorm. Okay. Coming to introduction. I'm Shabnam. Oops. I'm Shabnam and I'm a dentist back home. I'm from India. Nak Telugu vachu. Andarki namaskaram. So I talk a lot in हिंदी में भी मैं बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी मदर टंग है उर्दू है, क्योंकि मेरे घर पे सब लोग उर्दू में बात करते हैं, इसीलिए मैं उर्दू बात करती हूँ. And if you see, it's like till here. I had my snow boots. Okay. So I want to start this YouTube channel from a long time, but I didn't had guts to talk to people, like no filtered. Now I have a guts to talk. I just thought like I'll talk and show what's the life in Canada. And my bus stop from my home is like 900 meters, but I'm finding so hard to walk today. I need to take a bus and I need to reach the office. Thankfully I just need to take one bus, no connecting buses. Yeah, coming to introduction, that's it. I'm gonna post about life in Canada, and if you guys need any help, and I have lots of dental students who want to come to Canada for the masters, so I'll be helping about that as well. And girls, you don't need natural blush when you are here. See, I didn't apply, I just applied Vaseline and I have a natural blush now. I'm walking it, and I'll show you how it is. So that's my street. I'm walking and I'm reaching my bus stop. It's so much snowy here. I guess it's like a lot of windy and minus 24 degrees. I can't see anything, but I need to go to work. Perks of being an immigrant and international students. Lots of andru ankuntaru easy ikkada batkadam ani cheppi, but it's fucking not. It's so hard to live a life here. My face is fucking freezing and I need to go to work. No option. I just don't want to fall down or slip somewhere. My face is freezing. I can't tell you how it is right now. Finally I'm here. My bus. You can see how it's snowing, and yeah, it's a snowstorm. I'm waiting for my bus and then I'll go to work. If you see all my glasses, eyebrows, they're so frozen. And coming to this channel, I'm gonna post about life in Canada and any important news or have to come in Canada, what's the process. And I'm not a serious type of a person who gonna post like a serious stuff, because you have lots of people that to do on YouTube. So it's gonna be a fun and bumpy ride with me. That's it. I'll show you how the bus comes in and how I get in. So I'm still waiting for the bus, and the bus is not coming here. I'm inside the bus stop. It's not like India, we have a big bus stops here. The bus stop is like very small. I don't know what sense does it make in this harsh weather to have this kind of a bus stop, but it sucks. Okay, I'm frustrated, I'm irritated that I need to go to work, but I don't have any option. So to people, and mainly my brother, who thinks I'm enjoying in Canada, going to parties, doing clubbing and pubbing, I deserve it. I'm working so hard, and it's not easy to be away from the family, not at all. So ప్లీజ్ అండి, ఎవరైనా అబ్రాడ్లో ఉంటే వాళ్ళని టార్చర్ చేయకండి, అన్ని పంపించండి అని. మేము ఎంత కష్టపడతాం మీకు తెలుసా? అసలు పంపిస్తాం కానీ ప్రాబ్లం కాదు. కానీ ఏంట్రా నువ్వు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నావు అని అనకండి. మేము ఎంజాయ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ కష్టపడుతున్నాం. ఓకే, వి వర్కింగ్. సో హియర్స్ ద బస్. ఓకే, so yeah, I'm finally in the bus. I boarded the bus and I want to show you how my hands are. They're frozen. I can't feel my hands right now, so once I get down, I'll be going to my workplace. I'll log till I go home. Till I go to work. I'll show you once I get down from the bus. Yep. So guys, as I was talking, you all know now, I'm Shabnam and I'm a dentist. I'm a student in Canada and I'm from South India, Andhra Pradesh. So disclaimer, you'll be hearing English, Hindi and Telugu in my YouTube video, so don't get concerned about it. मैं क्योंकि हिंदी में भी बात कर सकती हूँ तो कभी कभी हिंदी बात कर लूँगी. बट so I just get down from the bus and I'm walking to my office. The snow is so much. I'm walking to my office. So you can see how the snow is. I can't talk. I'm walking like a penguin. Okay, you can see everything is covered. Everything is covered. We need to walk. Walk. I came to my workplace. This is my work place. I'm going in. Okay guys, bye now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. You can still see how it's doing, and I'm safe and I'm back to office. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.